Today I have Oppo Find X2 and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. We start off opening our settings application. In it, find your mobile network and there we tap on our data usage. In it, data usage limit, and there we can set our limit. First step, we can set when our size start. In this part we can turn on and turn off our data usage limit in megabytes or gigabytes, what you need and prefer. Maybe we set some 5 gigabytes on it, and there we can set what happens when we use it. We get only alert or we get as alert and our data will be turned off. And the same with monthly data limit, usage limit, we can turn on it, set it in the same style as our daily, and there we can set what happened, and we can also turn on data warming when we used how many we get gigabytes we get warming and confirm it by OK. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.